Hi guys, welcome. My name is Igor.Ruchka. I'm a realtor who lives in the Rockwell, sells Rockwell, and I want you to be in the Rockwell as well, be my neighbor. Why don't you come with me and check it out? So 99 square, we have a Whole Foods right around the corner, which is a walking distance. I call it my pantry. I just go and grab the flour for my loved one. It's a pet-friendly community as well. Anyhow, Lafayette Park, 2 blocks away. And then you have amazing restaurants on Fillmore Street and Polk Street. So you live in the best neighborhood. And about the community, you know, we offer for your entertainment to have a wine and pair with dinner. You can reserve the owner's clubhouse, which is right here. Thank you guys for watching my video tour. If you have any question, please feel free to call me anytime. If you want to make a private VIP appointment, showings, listing presentation, you name it, I'm here for you to help you.